Hello guys, good evening. It's me Lilian again. Welcome to my video. It's evening already. It's 6 o'clock p.m. The time here in Tanzania is the same. We are not different. So come with me to the market, guys. I just wake up and I want to go to the market to buy some things and come home to cook. So join me on my way here. We are going to have a lot of things to learn. Yeah, actually the weather is good today. We have sun today, guys. So the weather is beautiful, not like other days. And it looks like summer is on the way. Yeah, winter is going and summer is coming. It's beautiful. We have waiting this for so long. We need sun. I can't bear it again. Can't take it anymore. This cold. It's too much. Anyway, guys, there's something I learned about here in Turkey and Tanzania, or let's say in Africa. There's something that I learned here is that when it's a winter, everything dies. The trees dies. Anything that you plant in the farm, everything will die. Anything you plant in the garden, it will die. It will never grow up. Why? It's because of the cold, the weather. So the sand down there it's not, the sand there catch cold and water. So anything that you are planning to plant there, it will never grow up. It's not like Africa. Africa actually, in Tanzania, let's say in Tanzania, when we want to grow something, plant something, we have to wait until rain fall, until we have rain, right? But here in Turkey, they have to wait until summer. Yeah, when they have sun, that's when they plant things. That's when they grow things, like seeds, everything. So it's very different. Their sand, and our sand is too different. I don't know why. Anyway, so that is it. And right now, because of the cold, because of the weather, everything in the market has gone. We don't have things in the market, like we don't have vegetable right now, we don't have tomato, we don't have onion, we don't have carrot, we don't have potatoes. A lot of things that we used to have in the summer, we don't have it now. We are missing of a lot of things. So it's because of the winter. But when summer comes, we are going to have them. Yeah. But right now, we are going to bear it. We are going to bear with it, right? So, guys, come with me. This is the market I want to come. And before going inside, I saw this paper here. It shows that on 2 and 8 or 7 May, those things here, they are going to have a 35%. You can see here, right? Discount. 35% discount. So anything that you are going to buy on that date, 2 or 8 or 7 on the May, this month, everything that you are going to buy, whether it's this television, smart TV, you are going to get discount. So we have to wait until 2, 7 or 8 on the May. All these things that you are seeing here, there's cars for kids, there's also bike, There's hand mix, there's coffee maker, there's barbecue machine. There's a lot of things. So let's go inside because this is not what I came here for. So I actually came here just to buy some things to cook. Like I need tomato, I need onions, I need carrot, I need green pepper, all of those stuff. And also I came here and I ran out with this product. This is Eldor, and I'm using for it, I use shampoo, I use this conditioner, deep conditioner, and I use also the tonic spray. They're very, very good on my hair, especially my natural hair. This product is working very well on my hair. And they are not even expensive, very cheap. As you can see, it's very cheap. There's this DP shampoo, but I don't use it. I've never used it, so I don't know if it's good or not. Maybe they might be good, but for their hair, not for African hair, because our hair is different. Yeah, that's it. And that is the amount you see there, 109, and there is also 170 something. So let's continue with what we came for. Actually, as I said before, because of the winter, there's a lot of things that we don't have in the market. Like you can see here, the shelf is very empty. There's no tomato here like we used to do. There's not onion, there's not carrot. Even the avocado is very little. They are very small. So a lot of things are missing because of the winter. So we have to wait until summer, so things will come back again. Yeah, there's no tomato here, guys. Things are going. See this onion. The onion is even growing up here. God, life in abroad is very difficult. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Turn on the notification, so whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to be notified, okay? Yeah, that's my today video, guys. I just wanted to chat with you guys for a little bit. Actually nataka ninunue mboga. Hizi ni glasi. Hizi ni vikontena au tuseme sio ni vinini vya kuwekea spice kama unavyoona 149, very expensive, viko vitatu. Na hizi pia 199 sana, 200 tayari. Na ni bei sana kwa sababu 200 kwa bongo ni kubwa sana. And we have another one here kwa ajili ya spice. We have glasses for wine, for cocktail, for juice, yeah. And we have this one too, 200, only one glass. Na tuna mashine ya kunyolea hapa ni 1100. Alafu tuna bowl dryer hapa, Sage Kurtma Magnus 1200 kama mnavyoona hiyo. And we have this one kwa ajili ya shingo kusafiria kwenye ndege, kwenye basi ni 1000, maana 999 ni 1000, na ni ya umeme. So wakati unavaa pia na kufanyia massage. Yeah. Bouillon massage alert, na maana inakufanyia massage. Tunayo mashine ya kahawa ni 650. Tunayo hii ni kwa ajili ya gari. Haya ni kwa ajili ya barabarani, let's say. Na hii hapa tunayo light ni 600. Tuna pasi ile pale ya umeme 800. Kuna hiyo hapo pia. Kuna hii mixer handy hapa ya mixing ngano nini hivyo. So Na hivi ni vinywaji guys. Vinywaji vingi walivyo navyo sisi hatuna. Kwa sababu hao jamaa wana matunda mengi, wana fruit nyingi kuliko sisi. So wana juisi nyingi kuliko sisi. But mirinda wanazo, hizi hapa. Mirinda, hapa kuna Fanta, hapa kuna Sprite. Yeah. Mirinda, kuna Pepsi kama unavyoziona kubwa na ndogo, na kuna Coca-Cola hiyo hapo. Yeah, vitu vingi vipo. Tena kwanza ngoja nichukue Pepsi. Let's take Pepsi. Chukue Pepsi. How much is this? Kanzi. Where is it? Jojo. Viatu vya watoto, viatu vyetu. Lakini hivi ni plastiki guys. Ni 229. Na kuna hivi vya ngozi ni 279. Na kuna hivi visendo ni 279 pia. Na kuna hivi huku juu kama hivi vya watoto 119. Hivi pia 139. Hivi vya kubwa 149. I don't want to buy any. I need chicken. Nataka chips, nataka chicken. Guys, hapa kama mnavyoona chips, sio kununua chips za kukata, za kukata.